Here's how to fix the last line no longer available error in the phone app on iPhone. So the first solution is restart your iPhone. Restarting your iPhone can fix temporary glitch on your iPhone. And the second solution is clear recent call history. To do that, open your phone app, tap on edit, tap on clear all recents, and then check the problem if fixed or not. And the third solution is reset network selection. Go to your iPhone settings, tap on mobile data or cellular, tap on network selection, turn off this feature. After 2 or 3 minutes, again enable it and then check the problem if fixed or not. And the last and final solution is reset all settings. Go to general, tap on transfer reset iPhone, reset all settings, and hope this will fix your problem. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.